Hello everyone, we are discussing here one of the important cell organelles, that is Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. It was discovered by Camillo Golgi, Italian scientist, in 1899, and he generally observed and coined the term as apparato reticulare. Okay, in Italian language he explained about it. Cajal in 1914 coined the term Golgi body, and dictyoson is coined by Dalton and Felix in 1954, as the Golgi apparatus are scattered in case of plant cell. So these are the historical aspects of Golgi body. Now, when we talk about the structure of Golgi body, it is of group of, you can see, vesicles. These are the cisternae. Many cisternae are there, and somewhere there is a tubules. So tubules, vesicles, and these are a stack of 6 to 8 cisternae. So this is all about the structure of Golgi body. Okay. It is generally adhere with the near the nucleus, and one of the component of GERL system. Okay, GERL system means here the Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, and lysosome. They are together form a GERL system to synthesize many biochemicals, the enzymes and complex materials inside the cell, and also performs various functions together. Okay, so here we can see that the tubules, cisternae are 6 to 8 in numbers. They may be cis-form or transform. When adjacent to the, suppose that this one is nucleus and this one is cell. So if the Golgi body formed like this, so it is called cis-form. When it is formed like this, okay, in this form, then it is called transform. So in cis and transforms, this Golgi body cisternae may present in 6 to 8 number. Tubules are the short interconnected branch, you can see here, or hollow filamentous structure 30 to 50 nanometer in diameter, and their function is elaboration of certain compounds present in inside or found inside the cell. So they are cellular products, synthetic product. The cellular products which are synthesized from simple, suppose that from glucose cellulose is synthesized, so they elaborate it, and vesicles, small sacs-like structures, development from the tubules, and 20 to 80 nanometer. It's help in endocytosis, engulf the certain material inside it, like lysosomes. Now, let's come to the function. That the function is very important for Golgi body. There is a question in your book that what will happen to the cell when there is no Golgi body. This answer will help you, okay, properly. So, try to understand the main function. It elaborates something, extends something, make the simple to complex, glucose to cellulose, glucose to glycogen, glycoprotein, phospholipid, lipoprotein. So various complex molecules are synthesized, and glycolization, that is glycolipid and glycoproteins, cell wall formation, cell wall matrix formation, special carbohydrates are formed, hormones are synthesized, and they are further their derivatives are also produced. The parts of acrosome in sperms that contain hydrolytic enzyme is also formed with the help of Golgi body. Root hairs and lysosomes are packed and formed along with the endoplasmic reticulum by the Golgi body. It's also immunoglobulin proteins which are synthesized, which are generally found in immune system. They are responsible for immune system. They are also synthesized by Golgi body. Lipids, they help in lipid transport secretion of various secretion of proteins, proenzymes, lipid steroids, hormones, which are steroids are also hormones like follicular stimulating hormones, androgens, all are synthesized with the help of Golgi apparatus. Cell plate formation, sweet tears in your body is also prepared by this Golgi body, and hemoglobin is also formed by this Golgi body. So in this way, what the function? If there is no Golgi body in the cell will unable to synthesize these whatever we discussed, the important biochemicals. So I think you have got the general idea about the Golgi body. Okay, thank you.